Hey guys, welcome back to another Daybreak Dudes video, and today I will be talking about the Boeing 797. Wait, hold up. You may be thinking the 797 is not a real plane and looks like this. Boeing says it may not come out until around 2035. But when it does come out, the Boeing 797 or new mid-size jet will be an airliner built by Boeing Commercial Airplanes. It will be available in two variants, the 797-6 and 797-7. The 797-6 will be able to seat 228 passengers and fly a range of 4,500 nautical miles, and the 797-7 would seat up to 267 passengers and fly a range of 4,200 nautical miles. An estimated 2,000 to 4,000 will be manufactured, and it would be powered by a new 50,000 pounds of thrust turbofan. It would be about the size between a Boeing 737 and a Boeing 787 in a 2-2-2 seating across, and will be competing with the Airbus A321neo. It will be Boeing's most technologically advanced plane yet, using composite materials and high-tech equipment.